Alright, I'm going to show you a quick, mindless little video. Here, I have a vacuum. What is she doing? She's desensitized to this. Because of what I've been doing with these guys. I expose them to all sorts of things. And let's see, this applies. The vacuum's just gone off. I can sit here. Here you go, guys. They're like, oh, look at the vacuum. This vacuum's kind of loud, but I think if you had a monitor that was really spooky and scared, you can't do this, but they've gotten used to it. So I guess one of the tricks I'm saying is desensitizing your animal. I mean, I'm sitting there. It's like this is something that this animal is experiencing in its life. But you know, that takes a little bit of, you gotta build to all of this to get them like that. It's like these guys. Let me go to the next page over. So, there you go. Perfect example. Hey guys. You see this? They're like, whatever. They don't care. They're not flighty. They're not anything. Because, I mean, this vacuum is, let me show you. Let's see if I take this off. So any of you guys that think that I'm rubbing my hands down with rodents to get my guys to come to me, it's not. You guys are, no, it's not what I'm doing. It's a totally different technique. Totally different. But I just want to show people, even with big loud vacuums and stuff like that, you can have these cool little water monitors. Things that make you say,